Hello friends, welcome to our channel Khatri Steno. Subscribe our channel for more dictations on daily basis. Be ready for the general matter without any stop. Ready and start. The National Green Tribunal NGT, established in 2010, is a specialized body that adjudicates environmental disputes in India. One of the major functions of the NGT is to address issues arising from pollution, particularly industrial pollution, and to ensure the enforcement of environmental laws. The tribunal is empowered to deal with issues concerning air, water, and land pollution caused by industrial activities. This matter will discuss how the NGT has been instrumental in addressing industrial pollution in India with a focus on a landmark case that exemplifies its role in enforcing environmental protection. Industrial pollution is one of the most pressing environmental issues in India. Rapid industrialization over the past few decades has led to severe environmental degradation, particularly in urban and industrial areas. Industries release toxic substances into the air, water, and soil, causing irreversible damage to ecosystems, public health, and biodiversity. Air pollution, water contamination, and the mismanagement of industrial waste are some of the most significant environmental challenges faced by India's industrial sector. India has enacted several environmental laws to regulate industrial pollution, including the Water Prevention and Control of Pollution Act 1974, the Air Prevention and Control of Pollution Act 1981, and the Environment Protection Act 1986. Despite these laws, enforcement has often been inadequate and industries have continued to flout environmental regulations. This is where the NGT has emerged as a crucial institution for addressing industrial pollution and ensuring compliance with environmental laws. One of the most significant cases involving industrial pollution and the NGT's intervention is the Yamuna River pollution case. The Yamuna River, which flows through several states including Haryana, Delhi, and Uttar Pradesh, has been severely polluted by industrial waste, sewage, and untreated effluent. The river, which once served as a vital source of water for millions of people, has become a toxic waterway threatening the health and livelihood of surrounding communities. In 2015, the NGT took show motu cognizance of the pollution in the Yamuna River and issued directives to various industrial units situated along the river banks. The tribunal focused on the industrial discharge of untreated effluents and the improper disposal of hazardous waste into the river. The NGT recognized the threat posed by industrial activities to the water quality of the river as well as to the health of people dependent on it. The NGT's intervention in the Yamuna River pollution case was crucial in forcing the authorities and industries to take accountability for their actions. The tribunal passed several key orders aimed at curbing industrial pollution. The NGT also recognized that the problem of pollution in the Yamuna River was not just the result of industrial activities but also the accumulation of untreated sewage. The tribunal directed the Delhi government to take steps to treat and manage sewage waste more effectively. It called for the installation of sewage treatment plants (STPs) to reduce the burden on the river. The NGT's intervention in the Yamuna River pollution case marked a significant shift in how industrial pollution was addressed in India. The tribunal's proactive approach ensured that the government and industries were held accountable for their role in environmental degradation. The case illustrated several key aspects of the NGT's functioning. The NGT, being a specialized tribunal, is able to deal with environmental cases more swiftly than traditional courts. In this case, the NGT's prompt action helped bringing attention to the urgent need for a solution to the river's pollution. The NGT played a critical role in enforcing India's environmental laws by compelling industries to comply with pollution control standards. The tribunal ensured that non-compliant industries faced penalties and were forced to adopt sustainable practices. The NGT's intervention reinforced the idea that the environment is a public good that must be protected. The tribunal's action in the Yamuna case demonstrated its commitment to safeguarding public health and the environment. The NGT's order also highlighted the importance of collaboration between various authorities, including state governments, pollution control boards, and industrial units in tackling environmental issues. The case underscored the need for a multi pronged approach to combat pollution and ensure effective enforcement of environmental laws. Despite its successes, the NGT faces several challenges in dealing with industrial pollution. One of the biggest challenges is the implementation of the tribunal's orders. While the NGT can pass directions, enforcement often depends on the willingness of local authorities and industries to comply. In many cases, there are delays in the execution of orders which diminishes the tribunal's impact. Industrial pollution is often linked to economic interests and political pressure may hinder decisive action against polluting industries. The NGT must navigate these complexities to ensure that environmental concerns take precedence over short-term economic gains. The NGT is limited by its resources and manpower, which can make it difficult to handle the large volume of environmental cases. The tribunal may face delays in adjudicating cases and monitoring compliance due to these limitations.